3 simple magic tricks that anyone can do. These tricks are easy, visual, and fast-paced. Everybody has magic inside of them. Trick number 1 is split. The second is the color change. The third is the box change. Keep watching to find out the secrets behind these tricks. The magician changes a single card into 2. For this trick, take a single 2 of hearts. Also take an ace of hearts and a 3 of hearts and stick them together using glue or double-sided tape. With the 3 facing the spectator, place the 2 behind it. Using your right hand, come forward and take the 3 and flip it over. This will reveal the 2 behind it, as well as the ace of hearts, creating the illusion that the card has split. The magician shows the spectator a black card. He then waves his hand over that card, and it changes to a different colour. This is called the Erdonez change and is a classic in card magic. Using the palm of your hand, push the top card forward. This will reveal the card beneath it as shown. Using the palm of your hand, pull the card back on the card below it and then push it over the top card. Using your first finger, align the black card with the rest of the deck, whilst you also push the red card on top. This will create the convincing illusion that the top card has just switched colours. This is a knacky move that will require a little practice, but it's very easy to do once you get the hang of it. The magician puts the cards into the box. He then does up the box and throws it onto his hand. The box changes colour. He then takes out all the cards to reveal that they've also turned red as well. For this trick, you'll need 2 boxes. Cut 1 box into the shape shown. Then stick this shell onto a complete box as shown in the video. This creates the illusion that from one angle the box is blue, but from another it is red. Take a red deck of cards and place a single blue card the other way around at the bottom of the pile. Show your spectators the blue side of the box and place what appears to be the blue deck inside. To change the box's colour, you're going to throw it downward with your hand whilst tipping it forward. This creates a snappy illusion that the box suddenly changed colour. Now simply take out the red cards, leaving the blue cards in the box. Put the box in your pocket and you end completely clean.